Imagine a world where the chemical industry minimizes environmental impact but also contributes to ecosystem restoration, or leads the manufacturing of a new generation of safer consumer products, creating a healthier planet for future generations, or inspires innovators to develop chemicals powered by a recycled and renewable energy supply, drastically reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. Because delivering outcomes like these results in cleaner air and water, elimination of plastic waste, lower greenhouse gas emissions, and a future where technology and nature coexist harmoniously. SAP Business Suite acts as a catalyst for your business, connecting your mission-critical apps to your real-time data with built-in AI to help everything work smarter and better together. It's your recipe in a tough economic environment to gain resilience, maintain profitability, and drive sustainable growth. It's what's next in the world of chemicals. See how SAP can help your chemical business innovate and optimize performance with prescriptive insights.